So if there was one piece of advice that I'd give for reducing stomach noises, this is it.
Why do they keep on going? Why don't they ever slow down? Why can't you seem to stop them? Why am I frowning now?
Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Andrew, aka Dr. Sweets. Welcome to my channel, and today we're talking about the one food that you should avoid if you want to get rid of stomach noises, and let's just get right into it. All right, so my number one tip for getting rid of stomach noises is to get rid of eating any dairy. All right, so dairy is pretty much anything that comes from cow's milk, or can also be goat milk or any other mammal's milk besides like human breast milk. All right, so there's three main things that contain dairy products, and those are milk, cheese, and yogurt. All right, so one super important thing to note is that dairy products can be snuck into different foods that you might not even think that they're there, but they are. That can include like chips or snack foods or processed foods. And so you really want to be sure to look at the ingredient labels when you are picking the foods that you're going to be eating. And if you're younger and you don't buy your food, just try to recommend that you don't get any foods that contain milk. And it'll say it on the ingredient label, contains milk. So yeah, avoid foods that say contains milk. Also avoid yogurt and milk and cheese. These products are more difficult for the human body to digest. For the most part, some people digest them better, but if you're here watching this video and you have digestive noises going on, the odds are that you're probably lactose intolerant. So reducing your consumption of these products or eliminating them completely will help eradicate these stomach noises from happening by a long shot. A lot of bits, a lot. So yeah, actually last night I was out at a show and I ate some chicken Caesar salad that had some milk products. That had actually some cheese sprinkled on it. And lo and behold, I've noticed that not only am I more bloated today, but last night and this morning I've had more stomach noises, or really it's kind of digestive noises. It's not really your stomach. Your stomach is one of the first parts of your digestive system. And yeah, but yeah, one thing that can be happening that is causing these stomach noises is the buildup of gas. And so that is it can be one of the most frustrating things to be happening, especially if you're in a position like you're at school or you're in the movie theater or you're somewhere where you just have this buildup inside of you. And some people might think that like, oh, maybe you're hungry, or maybe like, why is your stomach making noises? Why is it like growling? But no, these types of noises that I'm talking about specifically are more like gas buildup, or just your stomach, or not your stomach, your digestive system having more trouble breaking down and digesting the food that you put into your body, and more specifically the dairy products. So I would recommend cutting out dairy products completely, and this will probably help you get rid of a lot of your stomach noises. If for whatever reason you want to keep eating dairy products, maybe you don't have the luxury of choosing exactly what you eat. Maybe you have to eat foods at your school, or you just don't have as much of an option. Then you could try taking some lactase enzymes. Lactase is the enzyme that breaks down lactose. Lactose is one of the sugar molecules or sugar structures that are in the dairy products, and all these products can vary a little bit in digestibility. Cheeses are created differently, and the processing of those is a little bit different. So some people actually digest certain cheeses better than others, but I would recommend just cutting them all out completely. But if you want to take them, then try taking a lactase enzyme or a digestive enzyme supplement with them. Those can help not only digest the dairy products that you might be eating, but it can also help digest just other foods that you might be eating as well with those products. If you want to see a video about what foods to eat when you're experiencing stomach noises so you don't have to worry about them, and you want some safe foods, be sure to click the link that is popping up right now, the little card. And be sure to check out all my other stomach noises videos. I talk about a lot of similar stuff, but there's so many different subjects involved. And so be sure to check out my playlist, which is the stomach noises, how to stop them playlist. All right, so be sure to like this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what helps you. A lot of people are experiencing these digestive noises, and so I know that a lot of people find comfort in knowing that they're not the only ones that are experiencing these issues. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this about helpful health tips, and I will see y'all later. Peace.